Imagine cruising through Alaska and spotting wildlife right from your balcony. Humpback whales breaching, sea otters drifting by, bald eagles soaring overhead. Up close and unforgettable. And yes, even bears along the shoreline. This isn't a zoo, this is real wild Alaska. Cruising lets you access remote areas you can't reach any other way. Gliding past glaciers and into untouched wilderness. It's peaceful, powerful, and completely unforgettable. If wildlife and epic scenery are on your bucket list, Alaska is calling. Contact me and let's plan your cruise.